Welcome to a getaway experience with VueX. Get ready to swap those everyday blues for the mesmerizing blues of the Indian Ocean. We're talking about a dreamy escape to the Lakshadweep and Andaman Islands. All right, adventure seekers, let's kick off this incredible journey. Get ready to explore, discover, and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. We're starting in the Lakshadweep archipelago, a collection of islands so stunning you'll think you've stumbled into a postcard. These islands are a hidden gem in the Arabian Sea, offering pristine beauty and tranquility. Our first stop? The captivating Agatti Island. Known for its breathtaking landscapes and serene environment, Agatti is a paradise waiting to be explored. Picture this: powdery white sand beaches, palm trees swaying in the breeze, and the most vibrant turquoise water you've ever seen. It's like stepping into a dream where the colors are more vivid and the air is filled with the scent of the ocean. And guess what? We're not just looking at it, we're jumping right in. Whether you're an experienced diver or a first-time snorkeler, the waters of Agatti offer an adventure for everyone. Agatti is a water baby's paradise, and that means it's time to unleash your inner mermaid. Dive into the crystal-clear waters and explore the underwater world that awaits you. Grab your snorkel gear and get ready to be wowed by a kaleidoscope of coral reefs and colorful fish. The vibrant marine life here is nothing short of spectacular, offering a visual feast for the eyes. After a day of splashing around in paradise, it's time to unwind at the Agatti Island Beach Resort. This resort offers the perfect blend of luxury and comfort, ensuring you have a relaxing stay. Imagine cozying up in your beachfront bungalow, the sound of waves crashing gently in the background. It's the perfect setting to relax and rejuvenate after an adventurous day. And the food? Oh, the food! The culinary delights here are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Get ready for a culinary adventure because we're talking about fresh-caught seafood cooked to perfection. From grilled fish to exotic seafood platters, every meal is a celebration of flavors. So there you have it, our first day in paradise. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, we reflect on the beauty and adventures of the day. This is just the beginning of our incredible journey. Good morning, sunshine. Ready for another day in paradise? Today we're hopping on a boat and heading to Bangaram Island, a place so idyllic it'll make you want to ditch your phone and embrace the island life forever. As we approach Bangaram, get ready to be blown away by the sheer beauty of it all. Once we've settled in, it's time to explore. Bangaram is a haven for kayakers, so grab a paddle and let's glide through those crystal clear waters. We'll weave through lush mangroves, spot playful dolphins, and maybe even stumble upon a secluded beach or two. After a day of exploring, it's time to refuel at the Bangaram Island Resort. This place knows how to treat its guests, and the seafood here is legendary. As the sun begins to set, grab a drink, find a comfy spot on the beach, and prepare for a sunset show that'll take your breath away. Bangaram Island, you've stolen our hearts. Hold on to your hats, explorers, because today we're setting sail for Kavaratti Island, the capital of Lakshadweep. This gem of an island is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Get ready for a delightful mix of culture, history, and of course those breathtaking beaches we've come to know and love. From ancient landmarks to modern-day attractions, Kavaratti offers a unique blend that caters to every kind of traveler. Kavaratti is the heart of Lakshadweep, and it's got a charm all its own. The streets are filled with local charm, and the panoramic views are simply stunning. Whether you're wandering through the bustling markets or taking in the serene landscapes, there's something magical around every corner. Our first stop is the Marine Aquarium, a must-visit for any ocean enthusiast. This place is a window into the underwater world, showcasing the rich marine biodiversity that Lakshadweep is famous for. Here, you'll come face-to-face with a dazzling array of marine life, from colorful fish and graceful rays to fascinating sharks and curious turtles. It's an educational experience that will leave you in awe of the ocean's wonders. Next up, we're stepping back in time with a visit to the Ujra Mosque, one of the oldest and most beautiful mosques in Lakshadweep. The intricate architecture and serene ambiance make it a perfect spot for reflection and admiration. But let's be real, no trip to Kavaratti is complete without a healthy dose of vitamin C. The beaches here are pristine, offering soft white sands and crystal clear waters that are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and a variety of water sports. So, we're ending our day with a magical sunset cruise. This is the perfect way to unwind and soak in the natural beauty of Kavaratti. As the boat gently glides over the turquoise waters, you'll feel a sense of peace and tranquility wash over you. Imagine sailing along the turquoise waters, the sun slowly dipping below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left the island. Kavaratti, you've been a delight. From your vibrant culture to your stunning natural beauty, every moment here has been unforgettable. Fasten your seatbelts, adventurers, because we're taking to the skies and jetting off to the Andaman Islands. Get ready for a whole new world of adventure, history, and natural beauty. Our first stop in the Andamans is Port Blair, the bustling capital city. This vibrant city is steeped in history, and there's no better place to start our exploration than the cellular jail. This former colonial prison is a poignant reminder of India's struggle for independence, and a walk through its cells is a moving experience. After our history lesson, it's time to lighten the mood with a visit to the Corbin's Cove beach. As the sun begins to set, we're in for a real treat, the Sound and Light Show at the cellular jail. After a day of exploring, we'll be checking into the Hotel Sentinel, our cozy home away from home in Port Blair. So, there you have it, our first day in the Andamans. Good morning, beach bums. Are you ready for a day in paradise? Because today we're setting sail for Havelock Island, the jewel of the Andamans. Get ready for beaches so stunning they'll make you pinch yourself. Our first stop is Radhanagar Beach, consistently ranked as one of the most beautiful beaches in Asia. The sand is so white and fine, it feels like silk beneath your feet. After a relaxing morning at Radhanagar, we're heading to Elephant Beach, another slice of paradise. Here, you can try your hand at scuba diving or snorkeling and come face to face with the vibrant marine life that calls these reefs home. But the real magic of Havelock happens at sunset. As the sun begins its descent, the sky explodes in a kaleidoscope of colors. For dinner, we're heading to Barefoot at Havelock, our luxurious home for the night. Havelock Island, you've stolen our hearts, but our Andaman adventure isn't over yet. Good morning, sunshines. Ready for another day of adventure? Today, we're hopping on a ferry and heading to Neil Island, a tranquil paradise that's perfect for those who want to escape the crowds and reconnect with nature. Neil Island is like Havelock's more laid-back cousin. Our first stop is Bharatpur Beach, a haven for snorkelers and swimmers. The water here is crystal clear and the coral reefs are teeming with colorful fish. Next, we're heading to Laxmanpur Beach, known for its stunning sunsets and unique rock formations. But the real highlight of Neil Island is a glass-bottom boat ride. For dinner, we're heading to Seashell Neil, our cozy abode for the night. Neil Island, you've been a dream. But sadly, our Andaman adventure is coming to an end. Well, folks, all good things must come to an end. And sadly, our time in the Andamans is drawing to a close. Today, we're heading back to Port Blair, but not before we squeeze in a few more adventures. We're starting our day with a visit to Ross Island, a fascinating historical site that was once the administrative headquarters of the British. As we explore the ruins of this once grand island, it's like stepping back in time. Next, we're hopping on a boat and heading to North Bay Island, a popular spot for snorkeling and scuba diving. After a day of exploring, it's time to say goodbye to the Andamans with a final farewell dinner. As our plane takes off, we'll look back on our time in the Lakshadweep and Andaman Islands with hearts full of gratitude. Until next time, Lakshadweep and Andamans, thank you for the memories. And there you have it, folks. Our whirlwind adventure through the Lakshadweep and Andaman Islands has come to an end. It's been an incredible journey filled with breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unforgettable experiences. I know, I'm sad too. It's always hard to say goodbye to such a beautiful place. But hey, at least we've got a lifetime of memories to cherish and share with our loved ones. And some pretty epic tan lines to show for it, right? Those will be our badges of honor, reminding us of the sunny days spent on these pristine beaches. Now, I know what you're thinking. This trip sounds amazing, but how much is it going to set me back? Is it even possible to experience such luxury without breaking the bank? Well, fear not, my friends, because this island paradise is more affordable than you might think. You don't have to be a millionaire to enjoy the splendors of Lakshadweep and Andaman. With a bit of planning and smart budgeting, you can make this dream vacation a reality. For two lovebirds jetting off on this romantic escapade, you're looking at an average total cost of around 2,30,000 rupees, for two, including activities, food, transportation, and stay. It's the perfect setting for a romantic getaway or a peaceful retreat. And let's not forget the food. The local cuisine is a highlight of any trip. Dining by the beach with the sea breeze in your hair is an experience you won't want to miss. These activities will make your trip even more memorable. Now, let's talk about the weather. Expect warm, tropical conditions with plenty of sunshine. Pack light, breathable clothing, swimwear, sunscreen, and a hat to protect yourself from the sun. Don't forget your sunglasses and a good book for those lazy beach days. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy VueX. Remember, the world is full of beautiful places waiting to be explored. See you on the next adventure.